In this video, I'm going to show you how to start XM Forex trading. Now, the first thing you want to do here on xm.com, you want to go ahead and click on either start trading or get started up top over here. And then you have to basically sign up for an account. So first you can select your language, your country of residence, your email, password, and then if you have a partner code, you can put it in here, which is optional. And then you have to consent to this if you want to, of course, and then click on register. Now, after you do that, your account will be created, and then when your account is created, you will basically be able to access this dashboard over here. So to start with Forex trading, the first thing you have to do is actually create a trading account. The way you do this is you can click up here, and then you can create a real or demo account by clicking this plus button, clicking real or demo, and then just going through the process. Now, if you don't know how to do this, you can watch the video about that on my channel as well. I have a tutorial on this too, okay? So once you do that and you have your account ready to go, you have to select it, and when you have it selected, go to Markets, top left, and then here go to Forex, which should be the second tab. And then under Forex, you can just go ahead and select your currency pair. So for example, if I go to Euro, Canadian dollar over here, I'm going to click on that. It's going to pop up on my chart, and then I can just, of course, do some technical analysis if I want to, and then go to the sell or buy section over here, select if I either want quantity or lots and how much I would actually like in the amount of that. And then here, you can then go ahead and set a limit order or just a direct order and put on take profit and stop losses, either in price or amount. Of course, that's all up to you. And after that, you can just go ahead and click on place order, and that is how you can go ahead and start Forex trading on XM. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.